Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can add any apps on your desktop on Windows 11. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So you just need to click on this option which says start. Okay, once you click on start, you need to click on all apps, and once you click on all apps, the software and app you have installed on your system, you can directly drag and drop. How to do that, let me show you. If this is a notepad guys, okay, and I want to add it from here, just you need to drag it like this. Now it should be coming up here, you can see here. Similarly, you can see the other option as well. Just you need to drag and drop that. Microsoft Teams, see, Microsoft Teams shortcut is drag and drop, done. Okay, so install software you can drag and drop guys on your system. Also make sure you have selected personalized setting as your personal data as well. If you want to check other options inside your desktop, go to themes and also look for your desktop icons, and you can select all the options here, then click on apply. Okay, and all the options should be showing up here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching.